So in class, we already named all our files, appropriate names, right? Doc Marshall, bad guy, then the confrontation files. So what I wanted you to start doing was stacking the tracks, the video tracks up top and then the audio tracks in the bottom. The first thing you have to do is select. So if you can see the names, if you just kind of hover over it, Doc Marshall, and here's another Doc Marshall. So I know they go together. Select the tracks and go take the video up. Select the clip, take the video up to the next track, and then take the audio straight down to the next track. Sometimes it's a little tricky to get it to cooperate. And then you can slide them over together so they're on top of each other. That's what I mean by stacking. So we know that the bad guy dragging her into town is a standalone scene, so that's not going to stack. Now we've got confrontation. So let's stack those. So we're going video up, audio down, stack it. Going video up, audio down, stack it. I'm going to squish this a little bit more. So I can see already I'm going to have to add some audio tracks. So the video tracks should add automatically. I don't know why the audio tracks don't, but if you go here and right click, then you can add track. And I'll do that. Go ahead and do that a couple times just to have some extra tracks in there. Okay, so now I got enough audio tracks. So we got another confrontation, video up, audio down, slide it over. And that's all the confrontation clips. So they're stacked on top of each other. And I'm going to let you guys finish the rest of it yourself. Now I want you to make sure you come to class with all these files in the folder. So you're going to save this and you're going to go to your collected folder, which is right here. And you're going to make sure that, let's see, it's 7:36 p.m. Yep, that's the latest one. Make sure that's the latest one. And then you will drag the whole folder over to either your OneDrive over here or an external drive, depending on what its name is. Like Sandra's name was named, the factory name was 1TB or something like that. So look over here and then you just drag the whole folder and then you will show up to class with all of these files on Thursday, okay? Because we have to keep working on these, on this layout. Okay, and then what I want you to turn in is just a screenshot of this whole thing once you get all the stacks done. And if you need to zoom out, do that. You might need to do this to get everything in. It should be shorter than mine. I didn't finish mine, so it shouldn't take that much, but just to drag it across your whole timeline. Screenshot's gonna be on your desktop, and drag that to the OneDrive link that I give it an appropriate name, that in the naming format that I've told you about, and then drag it to the appropriate OneDrive link that's on the assignment. All right, I think that's it. Text me if you have any questions.